So yes, this is the YouTube mobile app version. So let's go ahead to search for one of my keywords. So I'm not going to be using this my account to search for it, so I'll not receive any form of favor from YouTube. So I'll be turning on incognito. So incognito is like its brand new or fresh channel. But see, so I'm not going to receive any form of favor here, and I'll search for my keyword, how to recover your lost DLS24 account/profile. So this is what I want to search for here and see what will appear. So you can see my video ranking first for this keyword, so you can see it here. So I did a lot of SEO for this video, and you can see the first here is an advertisement, and after that is my video ranking here first. So if you want to let your videos rank like this and give you recognition from search engine, this is the right video to watch. So still scrolling down, you can still find some of my videos here. So you can see another one here, and you can see another one here. So that is how to make your videos go far. So watch my video and let's get this done.
So yes guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we'll be learning the proper way to post a particular or upload a particular video on YouTube to make it go far and rank. So most people use their normal YouTube app to post a particular video. I will just let you know this is wrong, very wrong. You can do that for shorts because shorts don't really need too much SEO to go far. Shorts can be maybe sometimes based on your followers or subscribers list and or size. On shorts can also be let me say luck. Yeah. But for your proper long video or long form video, you are to post using the web version. So the web version is also web of studio.youtube.com. So go ahead to your Chrome and set it on desktop mode. So once you set this on desktop mode, you can get your web version. So without talking too much, let's go and start the uploading process. Let me show you guys how I upload my videos here on YouTube. So as you can see, my latest video I uploaded has 1.2k views, and I'm currently at 3.7 thousand subscribers. So I basically know YouTube SEO very well, and I'm teaching us how to get this stuff done. So go ahead to click on create. So you can also forget about this PC. You can also get this type of web view on your Android or iPhone device. You just have to go to studio.youtube.com. So I'll click on upload video, then I'm going to select the file I want to upload. So I'll go ahead to my videos. So locate the file you want to upload and open it. So then automatically the uploading will begin. So you cannot just leave this like this and expect everything to go well and expect YouTube to know what you're trying to post about, unless you already have a big fan base or big audience. So the uploading is ongoing right now, and I have to edit everything. So this is the title for this video I want to post. You have to select this and cut this away. And now you have to type your title. So the title here is how to recover. So this is how I do it. How to recover. So your how it should be in capital letter and turn off your cap locks. To recover is a keyword. So that keyword has to be in capital letter. You're lost. So I have to put my lost in block. So you get it now. Lost. DLS is also a big keyword. DLS 25 ID. So you can how I type this. So how to recover is till I get back. So I have to put it in block. So or let me just use this word also, or get back. So get back to have to be with a block. So everything is set here. So how to recover or get back your lost DLS25 ID. So this is my title. So this is how to type your title. Some should be like this, so you can know that they are a particular one. So how do I get my description? I've copied it here from ChatGPT, and I already made a video. I already made a video on how to get description from ChatGPT that will help your video rank. So just go ahead to watch it. I will be dropping the video link in the comments. So I have to copy this here, then come to my description and directly paste. So you can see this is done. So I've made a video on how to get your description already. So you have to add your thumbnail. I will do this later. Then you have to select a playlist. So I add this to gaming video because it's about games. So I'll scroll down to put this should be not made for kids. So put this on not made for kids. So scroll down. You're going to have if you have an altered content. So I'll put in no here because I do not have. So I scroll down, just leave this part, and now we have tags. So what are tags? So tags can help you put your content far. I also made a video on how to get tags for your particular video. So sometimes you can manually sit to type them, but I've got mine from ChatGPT. Then I'll just go ahead to this copy, Control A, copy. So I'm coming here to paste them. So you can see my tags are like 2 months. I have to cut some away, so I'm cutting this. The one that's not really important to me is to cutting them till I get to 500. So let me cut this, I get to 500. So yeah, so I think it's okay now. Or you can decide to sit and type them manually by yourself. So I'm scrolling down again, then they're actually look at this category. So whatever category you're doing, so if you're into car vehicles, you can put this comedy, you can put this education, you can put this entertainment. This is going to tell you type of what type of content you create. So I'm into gaming. This is the gaming content I'm posting right now. So I'm going to leave this on gaming. And you can look at here, they are asking for game titles. So let's go ahead to youtube.com. Let me show you how relevant this stuff is. So if you go on your YouTube web version or even your application, you are going to see things at the top telling you what type of content they are. So if you look at this side, I'm seeing music. So once you place there as music, they're going to put this as in category of music. So you can see videos here are put according to or are set according to their type of content. So you can see gaming, Dream League Soccer, Adobe. So once I click on this Adobe Premiere Pro, it's bringing me videos on that Adobe Premiere Pro. If I click on Playboy Catty, it will give me videos adding Catty content. So you can see everything about this. That you have to really set things like this to make YouTube also know what category of content you're posting. So that is the relevance of this part. So then I'm going to put my game title here, Dream League Soccer. So because I'm putting a Dream League Soccer content. So Dream League Soccer 2024. So if you come here also, you are seeing Dream League Soccer here, and once I click it, you see comments coming out from Dream League Soccer. So this is it. So that is what I'm trying to explain to you. So I'm going to click on the 24. So YouTube too is directly going to send my content to this aspect, to this part of YouTube. So then I go ahead. So that's it for this part. So I'm done for this part. Then I'm only missing my thumbnail here. I'll upload that later. So the next is monetize. Okay, I'm monetized already. I can just click here and click on on. So click on done. Then I'm going to actually submit ads suitability. So none and click on submit rating. So it's already checking my video. So for the video element, I'm going to have to add subtitles. So I think here still need my subtitle. I'll do that later. So add an end screen. So end screen is a particular video clip that comes at the end of your video telling subscribers what next to watch. So I basically put two videos, but let me take it yesterday to solve my viewer. So I basically put two videos. Then let me drag it to the part here and I drag here. Then I click on save. So that's it. So you can see end screen. So once they get to that part of this video, my end screen will pop out telling them to what. So the next is a card. So a card is like just showing them what. So let me just place it here and click on my channel or maybe a playlist. Then don't like. So yeah, let's click on this here. So watch the card say like and subscribe. So it is our text like. So you can see this is going to show you about. Let me put it on. Let me just put something very catchy. Let me just put something very catchy. And now, so you can see I'm just typing this and my this is my CN. I want to think they're talking about you and I'll click on it. I'm going to take them to my channel. So anything you want to do here you can actually do. So I'm clicking on save here. Then now I have this two stuff picked already, and you can try to add a subtitle if you want to. Me, I'll just leave it on auto sync because I want YouTube to get subtitle for me, yeah, and post it by yourself as I'm talking. So I cannot upload the file and I cannot type manually. So I'm leaving this here. So this is basically everything you need to do, yeah, and just to get the thumbnail and everything. So this is basically everything you need to do to rank on YouTube. So when YouTube is done checking for this, you can go ahead and upload your video, set it on public and upload it for the public to watch. So like and subscribe to my channel. We're going to meet again in another video. So any question you have here on YouTube, you can go ahead to ask me and I'll tell you how to go about it. This is a 9-minute video on how to rank well on YouTube. Thank you for reaching this side. Like and subscribe and share this video out to people too who will need this. Thank you.